What's up guys? It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today we're running through U-xer, a computer vision-based test automation and RPA tool that can automate repetitive tasks for you. With U-xer, you can run test automations for new projects or automate repetitive tasks with RPAs. Creating an automation is easy. Just name the scenario, add a description, and build it out step by step. You can add steps for anything like opening sites, clicking links and buttons, and even logging in from there. You can run the scenario to see it in action. U-xer also has a code editor that lets you build automations from scratch. Just start typing the text to enter the options. You can grab code from the editor and add it to your notepad or grab code from another platform. Then you just gotta save the steps in the visual editor. If you're ready to start automating repetitive tasks with U-xer, go ahead and click the Buy Now button. Not ready yet? Well, let's get back to it. U-xer's language learning model uses AI to write process steps in normal language. That way you'll have a new scenario without coding a thing. You can add steps to the start or end of your list and replace any info. You can also use this tool with applications, elements, images, or games. You can even use the exact same scripts across Windows and macOS. And best of all, you don't have to maintain scripts whenever you make changes to the front-end code. Now let's get these scenarios up and running. All you gotta do is download the agent and grant it permission to execute scenarios. It's easy to register and manage multiple agents on the U-xer platform. With U-xer, you'll never forget a task again. That's because you can schedule automations to run at regular intervals, and you can track scenarios using the reporting feature. Keep scenarios organized in project folders and subfolders, or group scenarios by shared parameters and easily track whether your automations fail with the option to retry failed processes. So if you're cool with it, go ahead and click that Buy Now button to grab this lifetime deal on U-xers. Or if you're into paying full price, you can wait till it's not on sale anymore, up to